Dom, thanks. Now to a follow-up on a story we first brought you yesterday after concerned viewers reached out about an unwanted visitor appearing to take pictures of the inside of their house.
We brought questions to an attorney to figure out what legal action they may have and how you can protect your home. Western Mass News reporter Matt Satilli has more after getting answers.
A concerned Springfield couple reached out exclusively to Western Mass News after capturing footage on their security camera showing a suspicious man near their bedroom window holding what looks like a phone. At what point could this be a crime, if at all? We took questions to one local attorney to get his take.
Certainly in that video, the person's not in the front of the house. It looks like they're in the back. That's of real concern.
Attorney Joseph Pacella calls this casing, when someone will scope out your house for motion sensing lights, cameras, or pets to potentially commit a crime later on.
There really isn't much of a claim for trespass unless they've been told not to be there, but the police could certainly consider charges of some sort of an attempted break-in entering.
On Monday, Ryan Walsh, spokesperson of the Springfield Police Department, told Western Mass News unless they catch the suspect committing a crime, it's hard to take action. Pacella advises filling out a private criminal complaint. While he says it may or may not result in charges, it gets the incident on the record.
The best deterrent to that is them knowing that you're looking for them or to ID them so that if something happens 2 days later, it's going to be pretty hard for them to not get a knock on the door from the police.
Pacella tells me there is one important step you can take to help solidify your case.
If you've posted with a sign, you could potentially have the person arrested for trespass. That's it. Just got to say no trespassing.
On another subject, what about unwanted solicitors going door to door or someone posing as a door-to-door salesman? West Springfield Police Sergeant Joseph LaFrance weighed in, telling Western Mass News in part, quote, "In West Springfield, people or businesses are required to check in with the police department before soliciting door-to-door. We take positive ID from the solicitors and check to make sure the business they represent is legitimate. Residents should not answer the door for someone they are not expecting, don't recognize, or is not easily identifiable. And sharing information in a neighborhood forum can make it easier to identify suspects and alert police if they've targeted more than one house."
They can be on the lookout for the vehicle. They can try to catch the person in the act. So sharing information protects everyone.
Reporting for Western Mass News, I'm Matt Satilli.